mystified. May we be just like a child, staring at the beauty of our King. 'Cause you are beautiful in all your ways, King of Kings. You are beautiful in all your ways. Oh, yes, you are beautiful in all your ways. Just close your eyes. Just close your eyes and sing it. You are beautiful in all your ways. Open the eyes of our heart to see you, God. May we never lose our wonder. Just sing that over yourself. May we never lose our wonder. Wide-eyed and mystified, may we be just like a child, staring at the beauty of our King. One more time. May we